Adding content to your Moodle page. Drag and drop images and text. When using Moodle in editing mode, we now have access to a new feature which allows images to be dropped directly onto the page. Just as if you were adding a file to the page using drag and drop in a modern browser, Firefox, Chrome, or the latest versions of Internet Explorer, drag an image from your My Documents or wherever it's stored on your computer. You can't drag an image from another website in this way. When you drag it onto your page, Moodle will ask you if you want to add the image as a file resource as normal, or if you want to add the image directly to the course page. Choosing to add it as a file resource gives users a download link to the image file as normal. Choosing to add the image to the course page creates the image in a label resource, which you can then go into and edit or add text to, as with any other label you may have set up. Moodle also now allows you to drag and drop text from another web page or from a word processor document directly onto the page. This will also be set up as either a file resource or as a label which can then be edited or formatted as required. There are a few points to note when dragging and dropping text like this from a word processor document. Firstly, it acts like a cut and paste action, not a copy and paste. So make sure you have your document saved first, or click the undo button on your document as soon as you've moved the text to replace it in the original. This is a browser feature and the way the new drag and drop works on browsers, rather than being a Moodle feature. Secondly, this also avoids the need to open the label and use the paste as plain text option, as it strips all but the most basic formatting out of text when it creates the label. At this stage, you can't drag and drop text or images directly into an existing label. The features described here create new labels with each piece of content dropped onto your page.